Balloon Buddies DIY stress balls for everyone. Feeling stressed? Need a fun distraction? Let's turn ordinary balloons into amazing, squishy stress balls. This DIY project is perfect for kids, teens, adults, and even teachers looking for a classroom activity or a personal stress reliever. First, you'll need balloons. Grab a variety of colors for extra fun. You'll also need fillings like flour, rice, Play-Doh, or even small beads. Don't forget scissors, tape, and markers for decorating your new balloon buddy. Carefully stretch the opening of a balloon. Now, slowly pour in your chosen filling. For less mess, use a funnel or create one from a paper cup. Fill the balloon until it's comfortably squishy but not too tight. Once filled, gently squeeze out any excess air. Carefully tie a knot at the end of the balloon. For extra security, wrap the knotted end with tape. This prevents leaks and keeps your stress ball lasting longer. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Use permanent markers to draw faces, patterns, or anything your heart desires. Get creative and personalize your balloon buddy. Turn it into a silly monster, a cute animal, or an abstract masterpiece. Want to take your stress ball to the next level? Try layering different fillings. Add a layer of flour for a soft base, then a layer of small beads for a textured surprise. Experiment with colors and textures to create unique sensations. Teachers, this is a fantastic classroom activity. It's a great way to relieve stress during exams or after a long day. Plus, it encourages creativity and fine motor skills. Students can even decorate their stress balls to reflect what they've learned in a lesson. Squeezing a stress ball can actually help relieve tension and anxiety. The repetitive motion can be calming and grounding. Plus, it's a fun and discreet way to manage stress in any situation. Keep one at your desk, in your backpack, or even in your car. Always supervise children when making stress balls. Ensure they don't overfill the balloons, as this can cause them to burst. Also, remind them not to put the balloons in their mouths. Safety is key to a fun and stress-free crafting experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fillings and decorations. Try using glitter, googly eyes, or even small pieces of fabric. The possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create a whole collection of unique stress balls. Ready to banish stress and unleash your creativity? Grab your balloons, gather your supplies, and let's get crafting. Share your amazing Balloon Buddy creations with us online using Balloon Buddies DIY. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Like this video, subscribe for more fun DIY projects, and click the bell to get notified when we upload new content. Let's create and de-stress together.